After you click the link on the number 1 on my blog page, you'll find yourself at BBC Learning English site and specifically on pronunciation tips page. If you're about to master RP, that is received pronunciation or standard British English in other words, this site is a place to aim at. Everything here is very well organized, so take your time and look around. On this very page you'll get some information how it all works. Just scroll down and read through a short guide. Get back up the page and watch the introductory video. Links in the frames to your right will lead you to some extra materials such as exercises or quizzes or special radio programs. Switch between these tabs above and get more information how you can use this great resource. The tab Features of English, for instance, will lead you through specific peculiarities of the language pronunciation and provide you with some useful exercises which can be downloaded and worked out offline. The main tab we are here for is the Sounds of English. This one. Start with watching the next video presented by Alex Bellem. Read about her at the bottom of the page in this box. Then pick and click any sound for practice from the phonemic chart, which is downloadable as well. Let's see how it works. I pick the sound E. Here we are. Look around again. I can see a picture of the sound to my left. It is represented by a phonemic symbol. Here are links for downloadable materials for learning this very sound. You can here play the video and practice this sound with some words, and I'm sure you like the presentations. By the way, all videos, the phonemic chart and printable posters like this, here it is, with examples can be downloaded and practiced offline at your convenience. I suppose you are now armed with some new knowledge and can handle it on your own. Hope this short guide was helpful. Thanks.